Welcome back to Beyond the Bling, weekend hacks for gemstone lovers. Today we're tackling a sparkling question. What is the difference between 14 karat and 18 karat white gold? If you've ever stared at two rings side by side and wondered which one is worth choosing, you're about to get the answers. So let's start with the basics. White gold isn't naturally white. It begins as pure yellow gold. Jewelers mix it with white metals like nickel, palladium, or silver to create that beautiful silvery tone. The number before the K tells us how much pure gold is inside. Pure gold is 24 karat, so both 14 karat and 18 karat are blends of gold and other metals. Here's a fun fact. White gold only became popular in the early 20th century. During World War I, platinum was needed for military use, so jewelers started using white gold as a stylish stand-in. That's how it rose to fame, born out of necessity, then transformed into a timeless trend. Now, let's break it down. 14 karat white gold is 58.3% pure gold and 41.7% alloy metals. That higher alloy content makes it more durable and scratch-resistant, which is why it's a top choice for engagement rings and everyday jewelry. Another cool detail? Because of the greater proportion of white metals, 14 karat often looks a little brighter and whiter, especially after rhodium plating, which gives both 14K and 18K their signature shine. 18 karat white gold is 75% pure gold and 25% alloy metals. The higher gold content gives it a softer feel, which makes it more prone to scratches, but that same softness makes it a jeweler's dream for intricate designs. Plus, before rhodium plating, 18 karat often carries a warmer, almost creamy tone that many people find luxurious. Did you know? Some antique jewelers specifically sought out 18 karat white gold because it allowed for delicate, handcrafted settings that 14 karat couldn't achieve as easily. That's part of the reason so many vintage rings still use 18 karat today. Here's a quick comparison to keep things sparkling clear. Purity. 18 karat has more pure gold, 75%, than 14 karat, 58.3%. Durability. 14K is harder and holds up better to daily wear. Color. 18 karat has a warmer undertone, while 14 karat often looks whiter. Price. 18 karat is more expensive because it contains more gold. Skin sensitivity. Both can cause reactions if nickel is used, but palladium alloys are hypoallergenic alternatives. Here's a little-known tip. If you want jewelry that keeps its bright white shine longer, 14 karat might be the way to go. But if you want something rich in gold content that feels extra luxurious, 18 karat will sparkle in your favor. So, what's the verdict? If durability and practicality are your priorities, go for 14 karat. If you want more gold and a slightly warmer high-end look, 18 karat is your winner. Both are stunning choices. You really can't go wrong. And that's the glowing truth about 14K versus 18 karat white gold. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more incredible insights. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, keep on sparkling.